How to create animated subtitles in Animaker. Open Animaker and click on the Create button, which is located on the left side of the screen. Choose the Create Subtitle option. Click Upload your file to add your file to Animaker. Select your file and open it. After opening the file, pick your desired subtitle type, such as auto subtitles. Generate your subtitles by clicking the Generate Subtitles button. Access the Styles tab, which is located on the left side of the screen. Customize the font of your subtitles by selecting the font option in the Text Style tab. Tailor the style of your subtitles within the Subtitle Style tab. Add animations by clicking the Animation button at the top of the screen. And choose your preferred animation effects for your subtitles. Welcome to the course on accident investigation. Take immediate action. Calling for emergency help, fire truck, ambulance. Providing appropriate first aid. Take action to prevent further accidents. Also, important to remember to reassure the workers. Secure the accident scene until the investigation at the scene is finished. Identify potential information sources, people you can talk to, evidence you can look at. Visiting the scene. Speed and thoroughness are both necessary in incident investigations. Memories fade and evidence disappears. Balancing the numerous activities to be undertaken when visiting the scene is a great challenge for the investigator.